Question: what's the biggest difference between a car built 10 years ago and a car built today? What's up, guys? It's Eric with Monday Familyman, and on this channel I like to do product reviews and sometimes how-to-dos on anything that can help you and your family out. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and right next to that, hit the notification bell so you get updates and video notifications. So the biggest difference between a car that was built 10 or 15 years ago, like my own, compared to my wife's car that was built 2 years ago, is all the technology that's already built into it. You know, she has the backup camera, backup sensor, she has the automatic liftgate, tire pressure sensor, she even has a Bluetooth phone so she can talk hands-free as she's driving down the highway. But none that makes these great aftermarket products to really get your car's technology up to today's standards. Today I'm only going to be reviewing the Zeus all-compatible HD music adapter, but I have done reviews on other Nanda and Zeus products. If you guys want to check out those, there'll be a card right up here, so definitely check those out. For full disclosure, I did purchase this with my own money, but I will be leaving an affiliate link down below where you can pick this up if you want to. If I have any promo codes or discount codes, I will try to put those down below. Usually, if I can find some, I'll definitely give them to you. And if you do make a purchase, it does help support the channel with no additional cost to you. Let's go quickly back into the studio, do a quick unboxing, and then we'll come back out here and install it. For those who don't know what this does, it actually does two amazing things. One, it connects to your cell phone via Bluetooth, so if you have music on your cell phone like most people do, you can actually play that music through your car speakers. Two, it can have hands-free calling, so this thing is also a microphone. So not only can you hear the voices through your car speakers, you can actually talk to the person and they can actually hear you because the microphone is closer to you, and it's a great microphone. It is compatible with all cars as long as it has an FM radio or a 3.5mm auxiliary jack, has HD sound quality, has hands-free calling, which I talked about briefly, and it has a pretty sleek design. I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble. In the box, you do have the music adapter and wire, which is all one piece, which we'll look at more in a second. It also comes with two adhesives, so you're able to glue the actual device onto your dashboard right within range of the microphone, so you get good sound quality. They also include 3 adhesive strips, that way you can glue the wire to places in your car to actually hold the wire out of the way. Starting from the top, you do have the microphone hole. Right on that, you have the OLED screen, so you can see when it's paired, what channel you're actually paired with, and also when a call is coming through. And that is the next button. Under that one is the accept call button, and the very bottom one is the back button. And moving down the wire about 3/4 away, it does have a built-in splitter, which turns into a USB-A plug for power, which you can plug into a cigarette lighter or other Nanda products, which I've reviewed thus far. And the other half of the wire is a 3.5mm plug, which you can plug into your auxiliary port if you happen to have one. And if you don't happen to have one, you can easily use the FM radio transmitter, which that's what I'm going to be using in my car. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble. And moving on to the quick install, and I mean quick install. Now every car is going to be different. You pretty much just have to plug this into a USB plug. It could be your cigarette lighter or it could be your Nanda plug like I have here. I also have a Nanda Zeus tire pressure sensor, so it does add an extra USB plug, which is awesome. So I plugged mine directly right into that. And then the next thing you want to do is actually find the location where you want to place the device. Now remember, it does have a microphone, so you do want this as close to your mouth as possible. So I put mine actually behind the steering wheel on the dash. It's just the best location for me. Remember, your car is going to be different. Once you figure out the best location for your car, go ahead and use the adhesives. Make sure you clean off the dashboard and the actual device, and just go ahead and stick it on. And then you can also take the 3M little strips and put them on the wire and glue those wires to your dash so they're out of the way. And if your car does have an auxiliary plug, go ahead and plug in the 3.5mm plug into there. If you don't have that, that's all right. Just go ahead and clip it onto the USB wire, and then just use your FM radio. But it will sound better with the 3.5mm jack if you do happen to have one. Once everything's all plugged in, go ahead and start the car up. And now we're going to sync the FM radio. When it first comes up, it's going to show that it's synced with 100. That's the FM channel 100. But you probably don't want it depending on your location. You want to find a good station that has lots and lots of static, where there's no other radio station broadcasting. Once you find that channel, go ahead and hold the top button for 3 seconds. And now you'll see the LED start to flash. Once that happens, now you can use the upper button and the lower button to get to the station that you want. Of course, you can hold it down to go a little bit faster. Once you're at that station, go ahead and select the middle button, and that will lock it in. Now go ahead and get your phone out and go into the Bluetooth settings and go ahead and connect to the Zeus music device. Once that's actually connected, you'll get a nice little check mark on the LED screen. And just like that, you're ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and play some music.
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Change the song. Or one of the things that I love to do is go into my audiobooks and listen to an audiobook as I'm driving into work. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
You will be surprised to find that negative labels or perceptions others may have had of you tend to disappear.
We're going to call my wife. How do I sound?
Bye, Mama. I
you
can't
sound
see you.
awesome.
Now I can
You
see
sound
you.
pretty clear to me.
I'm on the new Bluetooth thing.
Wow. It sounds like you're on your
Daddy, can I
speakerphone.
charger?
Like when you come on your regular phone and you push speaker.
Yep.
Taylor sounds pretty clear too. That's cool. That little thing.
That little thing right there on my dash, that's the microphone. And then the sound comes through the actual speakers in the car through the FM radio. Alright guys, let's wrap up this video. In a nutshell, I give this product a 2 thumbs up. It is actually something I use every day, and I've been using it for the past 30 days or so. I do audiobooks through it, I do phone calls through it, and I can't believe how well it sounds through the FM radio. I know it'll sound better through a 3.5mm adapter, but I just don't have one of those in my car. So you know, it actually works pretty well through the FM radio. So I will be leaving affiliate links where you guys can pick this up. There'll be a couple different stores, so definitely check out the pricing and availability down below. Also, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will answer those when I get a chance. Make sure you subscribe right here, and if you want to become a super subscriber, check out my Patreon page right there. And if you guys want to see the other 2 Zeus videos that I've done on the backup camera, be this top video and the Zeus tire pressure sensor down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.